Dealing with a stripped, broken, or rusted screw that just won't budge? Check out this damaged screw extractor set, a lifesaver for DIYers and pros alike. Made from high-speed steel, these extractors bite into damaged screw heads and reverse them out with ease. Just drill a small pilot hole, insert the extractor, and turn counterclockwise. The set covers screw sizes from 2mm to 12mm, making it versatile for furniture, automotive, plumbing, and workshop repairs. No more ruined projects or stripped heads. Compact, durable, and simple to use, it's an essential tool for homeowners, mechanics, woodworkers, and anyone who fixes things. Ready to rescue any stripped screw? Check the link in the description below to buy this screw extractor kit now. Thanks for watching, and extract with ease.